Ever feel like Instagram's growth game is evolving faster than you can post your morning coffee shot? In 2025, AI isn't just helping, it's running the show behind viral content, smart engagement, and influencer ROI. If you're not using AI to grow your Instagram, you're leaving reach, revenue, and relevance on the table. Welcome to AI Expert Reviews, the place where we decode the smartest tools and strategies to grow your digital presence using artificial intelligence. Let's start with content creation. No more staring at blank screens for captions or scrambling for carousel ideas. AI tools like Jasper, 𝗀𝗍𝗶 and even Canva's Magic Studio now generate captions, visuals, and templates that are optimized to perform. These tools analyze what's trending in your niche and adjust tone, layout, and length, saving you hours and helping you post like a pro. Quick tip: use AI to batch create a week's worth of content in one sitting. Then tweak for that personal touch. Knowing your audience is half the battle, but AI makes it a data-driven battle plan. Platforms like Later or Sprout Social use machine learning to break down what content your audience actually cares about and when they care. AI segments your followers into behavior groups, story tappers, video watchers, link clickers, and tells you exactly how to speak to each. Quick tip: plug these insights into your content calendar. Post reels for your video engagers, carousels for info hunters. Let's talk engagement. You can't be in your DMs 24/7, but AI can. With tools like ManyChat, you can set up smart, branded autoresponders that drive traffic, qualify leads, or even send digital freebies. And it's not just DMS. AI now moderates comments, schedules posts at peak times, and even replies in your tone of voice. Pro move: set up an AI autoresponder that sends a product link or freebie when someone comments a trigger word like info or link. It's like having a virtual assistant on autopilot. Even influencer marketing is getting an AI makeover. Tools like Upfluence and Modish can find influencers with real engagement, not just big numbers, and match them to your brand's audience. Plus, AI can predict campaign ROI before you even send that first DM. Final tip: always combine AI speed with human creativity. Let the tools handle the grunt work so you can focus on storytelling. So here's the bottom line: AI isn't just helping your Instagram strategy, it's upgrading it. From automated content and personalized engagement to smart influencer picks, the future is fast, smart, and scalable. If you found this useful, like, subscribe, and drop AI in the comments. I'll send you a full list of the top tools I mentioned today. This is AI Expert Reviews, where growth gets smarter. See you in the next one.